Hello, I am Vandana V, Assistant Professor in Instrumentation Engineering Department of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this session, we are going to see about signed magnitude representation of binary number. All of us are familiar with decimal number system, in which if we want to represent a negative decimal number, let's say -15, in that case what we do, we prefix the negative sign to the number 15. But in case of binary numbers, the number is represented with the help of bits, and if we want to represent a negative binary number, then no special signs like negative sign it is used in binary number system. Then how to represent signed binary number? For that purpose, different methods are available, in which one of the methods is signed magnitude representation. In this session, we are going to see signed magnitude representation of signed binary number. In signed magnitude representation, the MSB bit, okay, it is the MSB bit. The MSB bit, it is the sign bit. Okay, what is this sign bit? That we will see. And all the remaining bits, let's say we are considering 8-bit representation, so there will be remaining 7 bits. Okay, so the remaining 7 bits, they will represent the magnitude. Okay, so the remaining bits are magnitude bits. So with the help of the sign bit or with the help of the MSB bit, we can check whether the binary number is a positive number or negative number. Okay, now if the MSB bit is 0, if MSB bit is 0, the number is positive. Okay, the number is positive. And if the MSB bit, if MSB bit is 1, then the number is negative. Okay, so in all the signed binary numbers, okay, in the signed binary numbers, the MSB bit, it represents whether the number is positive or negative. If the MSB bit is 0, then the number is positive number, and if the MSB bit is 1, then the number is negative number. Okay, again we will consider in all the examples that we are representing the number with 8 bits. Okay, there are some standard representation that that is, we can represent the number with binary numbers. We can represent it with 4 bit, then we can represent it with 8 bit or with 16 bits, okay, or with 32 bits. We have seen in one of the slide of binary representation that we can represent the number with 4 bit or 8 bit or 16 bit or 32 bit likewise. Okay, so here we will consider in all the examples that we are representing the number with 8 bits. Okay, so here let's say I'm taking one example. Let's say the number is 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, it is a signed number. Okay, it is a signed binary number. So when I am saying the number is a signed binary number, it means its MSB bit. Its MSB bit, it represents the sign bit. It is a positive number.
Okay, so the first thing is the number is positive. Okay, the number is positive number. Okay, now the second thing is what is the decimal equivalent of this number? Now, so as to find out the decimal equivalent, now we will not consider the MSB bit, because the MSB bit, it represents only the sign. So in the second step, what we have to do? We will write down the equivalent number and we have to find out its decimal equivalent. Now, what is the decimal equivalent of this binary number? How to calculate decimal equivalent? We will consider the power of 2. Means we have to multiply these bits by its place. So here we will multiply. Here the power is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here the power will be 2 raised to power. Here the power is 2 raised to power 5, then 4, then 3, 2, 1, 0. So here it is 0. What is 2 raised to power 5? It is 32. Again this bit is 0, so here it will be 0. Plus 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 0, the result is 0. 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 1, the result is 4. 2 raised to power 1 multiplied by 0, 0, and here it is 1. So the value is, it is 37. Is it okay? So the resultant is, it is a positive number, 37. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Okay. Now the same number, we are taking MSB as 1. Okay. Then 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Again, it is a signed number. It is a signed number. And if we want to calculate what is its decimal equivalent, then what will be its decimal equivalent? Yes, it will be minus 37. Okay. Why? Because the MSB bit is 1. It means the number is negative. Okay. So here we will write down the negative now sign. And for the remaining bits, these remaining bits, they decides what is the magnitude. The remaining bits decides the magnitude. So we have to convert this binary number into its decimal equivalent. And its decimal equivalent right now we have calculated, which is 37. Okay. So here it is minus 37. Okay. So it means, suppose I have to represent plus 37, okay, which is a decimal number, into binary representation. Okay. So in the reverse way, what I will do? I will calculate its its binary equivalent, okay, with MSB bit as 0. So that will be its binary equivalent. But when I have to represent minus 37 in binary number, in that case, how to represent it? In that case, again, its MSB bit will be 1, which is for this negative sign. Okay. And the remaining bits will be the magnitude bits, which corresponds to this 37 number.
Thank you.